Hello friends, let's knowing about medical instrument, stetoscope, syringe, meddicine. Do you want to be a doctor? Let's try to drawing and painting medical instrument toys with me. I love to drawing and painting medical instrument. First I want to drawing stetoscope. Please be healthy friends. I don't like if I got sick, because I can't drawing and painting if I got sick. Eating healthy food, drinking enough fresh water, and regular exercise is enough to keep you healthy. And I want to drawing the syringe. I will make the syringe colorful later. And then I want to drawing medicine bottle. Ficking time. Let's coloring. Purple, orange, yellow, red, light blue, yellow, purple, light blue, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, violet, purple, yellow, green, light blue, red, yellow, Thanks for watching. If you have clicked subscribe button, I really appreciate it. See you on the next videos.